What if you could buy a house that's worth $450,000 for $315,000? That's over $100,000 in profit. Would you be interested? What if you could do this again and again and vastly transform your life? Would you be interested? This is Tyrus Gross, and after 30 years of flipping houses, I wrote the book, Get the Deals Now, to help people successfully flip houses the right way. Buying wholesale houses from real estate wholesalers is the best, most efficient way to quickly get deeply discounted houses, even if you've never flipped a house in your life. I'm hosting a free Zoom call, and I'm going to teach you 8 different ways to find wholesalers in your own city. I'll teach you exactly how to do this, and I'm going to give you at least one wholesaler's cell number and email address before we're finished. Go to zoomcall.getthedealsnow.com to reserve your spot. It's a free call, but space is limited. That's zoomcall.getthedealsnow.com. When you join us on the Zoom call, we'll go over where you are right now in your business and how to get you where you want to be as fast as possible. For example, forget the postcards and the letters and wasting a lot of time trying to get the owner to come down to a low price. We go directly to the wholesalers that have already done the heavy lifting for us and locked in a great price, and we buy from them. You're going to learn how to find wholesalers in your own city and find them quickly. Think about how much time and frustration that'll save you every year. How many more deals could you do every year when you buy directly from wholesalers? Many real estate investors fail because they try to negotiate with the seller themselves, and they struggle for months and they waste a lot of time. I want you to win and be very successful at flipping houses, so I suggest you go straight to the wholesalers and buy great deals directly from them. Join us on the Zoom call. It won't cost you a dime, and it should take about 30 to 45 minutes. Once again, you'll learn 8 different ways to find wholesalers in your own city, and I'm going to give you at least one wholesaler's cell number and email address before we're finished. This is a massive game changer for you, but only if you join us. Click or tap the link before you and I both get really busy. All right, take care. Go to zoomcall.getthedealsnow.com to sign up for this free training. You're going to learn 8 different ways to find wholesalers in your own city, and I'm going to give you the cell number and email address of at least one wholesaler in your own city. There is no recording, and you must be on the live call to get the training and the deals. See you soon.